The headlines. Amid resignation of N. Biren Singh as Chief Minister, BJP lawmakers summoned to Delhi as central forces flood Imphal, heightening fears of president's rule. Opposition slams Biren Singh's resignation as forced, calls for leadership overhaul to address Manipur's crisis amid growing discontent. And Manipur police uncover major weapons haul, bust NRFM hideout and recover stolen firearms in crackdown on armed groups and insurgents. Following the resignation of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Manipur has witnessed a surge in political instability, prompting the deployment of central forces across the state. As the BJP High Command summons its legislators to Delhi for an urgent meeting, speculation about the state's next leadership intensifies, fueling tensions. In response to the growing unrest, security forces have significantly ramped up their presence with key junctions and the periphery of VIP quarters in Bahupura under heavy surveillance. Central forces have been seen in widespread deployment across Imphal, signaling a state of heightened alert. The governor's nullification of the 7th Legislative Assembly session, which was set to commence today, has further contributed to the state's volatile atmosphere. While BJP legislators remain in multiple locations, and reported meeting of some legislatures within the assembly complex has only added to the uncertainty. Though Biren Singh's resignation has been accepted, he will continue as the caretaker CM until a new government is formed, leaving the state in limbo. With the state on edge and the formation of a new government still up in the air, fears of president's rule have been circulating. As Manipur braces for what comes next, the eyes of the nation remain fixed on developments in the capital. Minister Y. Khemchand, one of the leading contenders for the role of Chief Minister, also held a meeting with BJP Northeast Coordinator Sambit Patra at Hotel Imphal today. This meeting comes amidst growing speculation about a leadership change following N. Biren Singh's resignation. After the meeting, Khemchand stated that the decision regarding the new Chief Minister would be made by the party's High Command. He emphasized that the party members would accept the High Command's decision, noting that the current focus should be on restoring normalcy in the state. Khemchand further elaborated that the main issue at hand is the need to restore peace and stability between the Kuki and Meitei communities, who have been at the center of the ongoing unrest. He reiterated that, in line with the party system, whatever decision the High Command makes will be accepted by all members, highlighting his unwavering commitment to the party's direction and unity.
Now the problem we're facing is how to bring back normalcy. As party, system of the party, whatever the party high command decide, we have to accept it. It is not matter that who will be, these are all, I mean, you may hear from anybody, but whatever decided by this high command will be accepting all the members of the.
The resignation of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has sparked sharp criticism from the opposition leaders who have blamed the BJP-led government for its failure to address the ongoing violence and humanitarian crisis in Manipur. Congress leaders in particular have labelled Singh's resignation as a forced reckoning, suggesting that it comes too late to reverse the extensive damage done to the state. Congress MP A. Bimola Koijam stressed the urgent need for competent leadership to tackle the escalating crisis in Manipur. He emphasized that the state's economic devastation and growing humanitarian challenges demand a leadership capable of restoring peace and rebuilding trust. Koijam indicated that while Biren Singh's resignation might be a step in the right direction, it represents only the beginning of a broader need for comprehensive governance, reform to stabilize the state and address long-standing grievances.
Initially, I was skeptical whether it is fake news or, that this drama of resignation has happened before also. But it seems that it is true that the governor's paper that his resignation has been accepted, that paper has come in. But whatever it is, I think the people of Manipur deserves is a responsible government who can deal with the situations, because it's an unprecedented chaos that we have seen, subversion of all the proprietary of constitutional order. The economy has been destroyed. So many lives have been lost, and thousands of people have still been languishing in relief camps. So we deserve a responsible government, and I think that's the first thought that I have. Tomorrow we are supposed to have our assembly sessions, because you have to have this within 6 months. Period as stipulated in the Constitution. So I've heard that the Governor's Secretariat has confirmed that tomorrow the session will not begin. But as of now, there is no formal notification of President's rule being imposed. When you put the Assembly under animated suspension or dissolve, either way, it will be what is conventionally called President's rule, Article 356. That hasn't come in, so we don't know. Are they going to install the new chief ministers? Otherwise, the assembly has to be convened, or otherwise, assembly has to be put under animated suspension or dissolved. Either way, and the government of India have to take over.
Meanwhile, MPCC President K. Meghachandra made a pointed remark regarding the BJP's double-engine government rhetoric, suggesting that the resignation was symbolic of a Brahmastra missile hitting one of the engines of the ruling party's governance model. He further suggested that the resignation followed mounting discontent among the people of Manipur and even within the Chief Minister's own party. Meghachandra speculated that Biren Singh likely anticipated a defeat in an upcoming no-confidence motion from the Congress, which might have pushed him to step down. He ultimately described the resignation as a positive political development for the state.
Really, he should have been resigned earlier, long time back. Even if it is belated, is a very good development. Because of his failures in administrations, Manipur is in turmoil since 3rd May 2023, and he is unable to restore the peace and the normalcy in the state. Our Congress parties want that there should be a new leaders and there should be a new government, and we don't like these animated suspensions or person's role here in the state. The people's mandate should be respected by the central government.
In a counter-operation, the Manipur police recovered 8 out of 9 stolen firearms looted during a daring overnight raid on a police outpost in Kakmayai, Thobal district. The recovery made at Ngamukhong foothill area was part of an extensive crackdown that also led to the busting of a KCP hideout in Langathel, Chingkhong, unearthing a cache of weapons and military-grade equipment. The police action followed an incident on the night of February 8, where around 30 armed miscreants equipped with sophisticated weapons overpowered police personnel and looted 6 SLRs and 3 AK rifles from the Kakmayai outpost. However, the security forces managed to detain one of the attackers, identified as Hijam Ningthem Singh, aged 49 years, of Moirangpurel Mamang Lekai, a member of the proscribed KCP group. The following day, relentless search operations led to the recovery of 8 firearms at Ngamukhong. Further combing operations across Ningel, Malom, Taubul and Langathel culminated in the discovery of a KCP hideout yielding a trove of weapons and insurgent paraphernalia, including 48 live rounds of INSAS and AK ammunition, 11 HE grenades and 2 tube launchers, various military fatigues, bulletproof vests, helmets and assault magazines were also recovered. Additionally, a white Maruti Gypsy suspected to be used in insurgent activities was also seized. In a major breakthrough, Manipur police busted a hideout of the outlawed outfit NRFM at Telo Makhalekai under Lamlai police station and arrested 7 of its cadres involved in various illegal activities including extortion and arms trade. The arrested individuals were identified as Moirangthem Somokanta Singh, aged 26 years, Thongam Iboton Singh, aged 34 years, Haisnam Rohit Maitei, aged 32 years, Yaikom Inau Singh, aged 20 years, Namairakpam Jotin Maitei, aged 33 years, Ningthaujam Prem Kumar Singh, aged 32 years, and Hemam John Singh, aged 33 years. From their possession, police recovered a significant cache of weapons and other items. These included one A1 assault rifle with a magazine and 15 live rounds, one AK-47 rifle with a magazine and 13 live rounds, 2 INSAS rifles with magazines and 12 live rounds, 2 SLRs with magazine and 30 live rounds, 5 bulletproof jackets, 3 mobile phones, and 2 wallets. The police operation has been hailed as a significant success in curbing the activities of militant groups operating in the region. The arrested cadres are expected to face charges related to arms possession, extortion, and other unlawful activities. Meanwhile, in a security operation, the Manipur police conducted extensive search operations and area domination in the vulnerable fringe areas of the hill and valley districts. During the operation, security forces uncovered a significant cache of weapons and explosives in the area between Sagang and Naudakhong foothills in Bishnupur district. During the operation, security forces seized several dangerous items, including one AK-56 assault rifle with a magazine, one SMC carbine with a magazine, and 3 single-barrel guns. Additionally, a bulletproof cover and a bulletproof plate rubber were also recovered. The team also found 6 tear smoke shells, 636 HE grenades with 2 rings, and 3 12-bore live cartridges. Other ammunition seized included 10 7.62 by 39 mm live rounds and 2.303 live rounds. Among the most alarming finds were 3 improvised explosive devices, 1 red-colored weighing 1.65 kg, 1 black-colored with wire weighing 1.95 kg, and 2 others weighing 400 grams and 350 grams, respectively. Villagers of Kainau in Bishnupur have launched a protest against the reported decision to withdraw the VDF Village Defence Force personnel stationed at Kainau Thongthak Maninglekai. The villagers, who credit the VDF with protecting them from ongoing narco-terrorist aggression, expressed strong concerns over the potential impact of the withdrawal. W. Homeshwar, a local protester, voiced his displeasure, calling it unfortunate that the government would consider removing the only 5 BDF personnel in the area. He warned that such a move could leave the village vulnerable to further attacks from narco-terrorists. Homeshwar also made a direct appeal to all concerned, urging them not to indulge in looting of arms from the security forces. He stressed that the villagers would not tolerate any such actions and would stand firm against any threats to their safety.
Mafamsi yamna ngahak leitana nongmai kapsalakba jaga oibanina mafamsidagi security force lokthokpa yaroi kana gumba singnasu akogi security force tagi nongmai lakpagi tawriba se akogi jaga sida tawbiganu mafamsida kaigumba tawba tabde akoi maira paibi ima event club ki lejariba khungangi mio singna akoi madu thengnajagani maramaduna mari leinaba authority sing higher authority haibadi SPDC na singba singnasu akoi ga sumlaba yamna Lan Mayok Nariba Zagas, the Lejariba Security Force, Lotopiono, Habasi, Kano Tonta, Awanga, Apunba, Ako Lejariba Pazapuna, Makim Maike, the Hanana, Sakasi, Maike, the Mediagi Tonda, Hajari.
The last rites or Mangani Leihun of late Loitongbam Dhananjoy Meitei, former secretary of the UFO Yaripok Top Chingtha Battalion, were commemorated today at his hometown in Yaripok Top Chingtha Mathak Laikai. The solemn ceremony was attended by members of the UFO who came from various battalions to pay their respects. Floral tributes were offered in honor of the late leader, and a salute was paid by UFO members to mark the occasion. The emotional ceremony reflected the deep admiration and respect for Dhananjoy Meitei's contribution to the organization. In a statement, Tongbram Wanglen, the UFO Publicity Secretary, extended heartfelt condolences on behalf of the UFO Central Headquarters, Haipok, expressing sorrow at the loss of their esteemed member and leader. Lila drama is not merely a form of entertainment, it is a way of life, a discussion of society and a mirror reflecting its image, said Bobby James Wahengbam, convener of the KDU Diamond Jubilee Celebration Committee. Speaking at the KDU's 75th anniversary Diamond Jubilee celebration at Kumbi, Kangjaibung, Bobby James emphasized the crucial role of Lila drama in shaping society and engaging both the older and younger generations. He highlighted its power to foster awareness and preserve cultural values while addressing pressing social issues. As part of the celebration, the drama titled Chingtam Lanmi was presented, symbolizing unity and patriotism. The play revisited historical events, including the sacrifices of Manipuri soldiers during wartime, resonating deeply with the audience. Bobby James noted that the drama inspires a renewed sense of patriotism and nationalism, which are critical for fostering societal growth and unity. The Jubilee celebration also featured the release of a souvenir capturing the rich history of KDU and its artists. Other highlights included the prize distribution of the literary trio competition held earlier. Dignitaries like K.S.H. Shanta, convener of India Bloc Manipur, BJP Kumbi Mandal President S. Angausana, and social worker W. Sobha graced the occasion, lauding the KDU's contributions to the cultural landscape of Manipur.
Drama lawri program sing ase akoi puna entertainment gi danatana educational gi oiba adugumba perspectives of the drama gi importance significance do madu ngasi gi tin miri ba myam sida hogolagi bana harol sing asida madu gi importance du khangna ba haina hajadragasu pangjadragasu samna kumbi dramatic union gi 75th Diamond Jubilee celebration ase bai myam gi mating loina samna pangthok sabani.
The prize distribution ceremony for the first state-level Knowledge Olympiad 2024-25 was held today at Bright Brain Institute in Lilong, following a successful competition organized by the All Manipur Democratic Students Organization (AMDSO) and the Reformist Students Front (RSF) on November 10. The event, which focused on subjects like science, social science, mathematics, and current affairs, saw a significant turnout of students from across Manipur in classes 8, 9, and 10. Distinguished guests including Professor Chinglen Meisnam, head of the Department of Southeast Asian Studies at Manipur University, RSF President Huidrom Open Singh, AMDSO President Mohammed Zaid Khan, Associate Professor Dr. Sadiq Rahman from Lilong Hawarebi College, Assistant Professor MD Mahbub Ali from Manipur Technical University, and other key figures from AITI and UMPC graced the prize distribution. The winners in each category were awarded for their excellent performance. Makakmayum Jade Sohel of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Class 8, Kulsum from Bright Brain Institute Lilong, Class 9, and Makakmayum Tazkia from Just Divine Standard School, Paubite Klamkai, Class 10, bagged the top positions. RSF President Huidrom Open Singh during the ceremony emphasized the importance of spreading education awareness and promoting the importance of knowledge through such competitions. The event concluded with the presentation of certificates and trophies to the deserving winners. As part of the ongoing Animal Husbandry and Animal Welfare Awareness Month, the None Veterinary Hospital under the District Veterinary Office, Tamenglong, in collaboration with the Mobile Veterinary Unit team, organized an animal health camp and free vaccination drive today in various villages of None subdivision. The camp aimed to raise awareness among farmers about animal health and provide essential treatments to their livestock. The initiative also focused on improving animal health through vaccination. Veterinary officers Dr. G. Pauline Lu and Dr. Dim Dim led the camp, offering free veterinary medicines, anthelmintics, feed supplements, mineral mixtures, and vitamins. They also educated the farmers on the importance of routine deworming, vaccinations, and supplementing animal feed with necessary nutrients to enhance the animal's health. A total of 80 animals were vaccinated and 25 animals were treated during the camp. The program's success was attributed to the cooperation of village chairpersons, farmers, local residents, and the dedicated staff of the veterinary department. The initiative is part of broader efforts to improve livestock health and ensure the well-being of animals in the region, benefiting both farmers and the local economy. Now the headlines once again. Amid resignation of N. Biren Singh as Chief Minister, BJP lawmakers summoned to Delhi as central forces flood Imphal, heightening fears of President's rule. Opposition slams Biren Singh's resignation as forced, calls for leadership overhaul to address Manipur's crisis amid growing discontent. And Manipur police uncover major weapon house, bust NRFM hideout and recover stolen firearms in crackdown on armed groups and insurgents.